Recently on our channel, we saw 5 medicinal plants that can be used as first aid at home. Did you watch the video? Medicines made from aromatic herbs are useful in our daily lives and also offer quick and efficient relief for a series of domestic accidents. Have you tried any of these medicines? If you did, share your recipe with us. Before we get to the recipes, keep in mind that before you use any kind of medicinal plants, you must be sure that the plant you are using is recommended for your specific situation, and also seek medical orientation from a qualified health professional. See now 5 other plants with medicinal and healing properties that can help you with quick and simple treatments. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, sometimes called true aloe, has anti-inflammatory and healing effects. It is helpful to treat and alleviate burns and to heal wounds. Chamomile. Chamomile calms both the nervous and digestive systems and keeps the body relaxed and calm. To make chamomile tea, boil a cup of water and add 3 tablespoons of chamomile. Close the lid and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Strain, sweeten with some honey, and drink. Lemon balm. Lemon balm helps alleviate heartburn, bloating, intestinal cramps, poor digestion, and nausea. In short, it is a great plant for gastrointestinal issues. To make lemon balm tea, put 3 tablespoons of dried or fresh lemon balm leaves in a bowl. Add a cup of boiling water. Close the lid and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink 3 to 4 cups a day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Ginger. When we talk about stomach issues, ginger is great. It helps fight nausea, flatulence, indigestion, protects the liver, and aids in the digestion of fatty foods. Also, thanks to its anti-inflammatory power, ginger helps alleviate the pains from arthritis, muscle aches, respiratory tract infections, coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. To make ginger tea, thoroughly wash the ginger root and cut a piece of approximately 1.2 inches. In a pan, combine a cup of water and the sliced ginger and let it boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, close, and let it sit for 2 minutes. Drink right after. Mint. We mention mint many times on our channel. It has soothing effects that act directly on the brain, helping the body relax more easily. It also helps relax the muscles and alleviate cramps and nausea. The vasodilator action of mint helps improve blood circulation and alleviates many types of aches, including headaches. The plant is recommended for people who suffer from migraines. To make this tea, boil a cup of water and add some mint leaves. Close, let it infuse for 5 minutes, and drink right after. If you have any of these issues and need some relief, use these medicinal plants and then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.